Hi, peoples. My name is Bob. Get the fuck out of here! Fucking jump toilets! Here's Bob Break, and I'm at Ipswich, Maine, West Brisbane. What's that? Oh, the website, man. Woo! Oh my God! What the hell is this? Holy God! Holy God! What's this? It's alien technology. Hey! Hey! Dun, 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 dun. And just chilling out with my mouse. Cocky. Cocky. Holy. So, yeah, I just went to a party. Yeah, that's it. Just went to a party, played lawn bowls. I don't know if you have heard of that before, but it's lawn bowls. And another chair, another chair. Oh, Call of Duty style. Hands up, buddy. It's in my fingers. Alien tech. Hi. No, not the camera. He's like a camera. Yeah. Boy.